Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. Once again, I am present before you with a topic from geography part of social science of 8th class. The topic is human resources. In the previous classes, I shared many things with you related to this topic. I hope that you may be paying a keen interest in listening the things that are delivered from this end for you. Today I am going to tell you that how soil and water affect the population distribution of any area. Dear students, we see that soil affects the distribution of population. The areas which have fertile soil has thick population. The areas where there is fertile soil, these areas have thick population, dense population, because fertile soil provides suitable land for agriculture. We see that the areas where there is fertile soil is more suitable, it is more good, better for agriculture. So the areas where there is fertile soil are thick populated. On the other hand, the areas which are lacking the fertile soil are less populated. In the areas where there is fertile soil, people like to live willingly. People like to live happily because of the natural resources, natural facilities. We see the fertile plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Huanghu, Shangjiang in China, and Niles in Egypt are densely populated. These are some areas from the world where there is thick population, dense population, because of the fertile soil there. We can quote also other examples from the world where there is thick population because of the fertile soil. On the other hand, the areas where there are not these natural facilities available, the areas are thinly populated, thin populated. In the same way, we see that water also plays an important role in the distribution of population. There are so many things which affect the distribution of population, which play an important role in the distribution of population. But here, this time we are discussing soil and water. These are the two important constituents, important things that play an important role in the population, in the distribution of population of any area. Early civilizations had flourished in river valleys and the banks of rivers. People preferred to live in the areas where fresh water was easily available. This is also true. The river valleys are densely populated where deserts have less population. So we see it's clear that fertile soil and water play an important role in the distribution of population of any area, of any country. This trend we see on the world level and also on local levels. I think this is sufficient for today. There are also so many things which we have to discuss that inshallah we will discuss in the next classes. Today it's sufficient. I am leaving you with the hope that you will try to understand these things, remember these things. You will try to enhance your knowledge for social science, and this way you will also prepare yourselves easily for the forthcoming examinations. I am in a simple way trying to deliver things, try to keep things before you in an easy way so that you can well understand and remember these things as required. Take care of your health, of your career, of your neighbors, and try to be good citizens of your area and be a role model for others. Bye for today. Thank you. God bless you.